Good morning, Doug. Good morning, Antoinette. They certainly are struggling to clear the roads. A lot of snow. We're at the police department here in Taunton. You see they have their ultra-terrain vehicle here. This is a Polaris. This is necessary because there's so much snow on the roads. This is Summer Street here in downtown Taunton. And you can see they're still not down to pavement here. There's a lot of snowy roads like this, especially once you get into the neighborhoods. A lot snowier than this. Several communities across southeastern Massachusetts still struggling to dig out from Monday's blizzard, including here in Taunton. Much of Bristol County was buried under about 30 inches of snow. And here in Taunton, the mayor says DPW crews have been working around the clock to clear roughly 300 miles of roadway across the city. But for many residents, progress has not come fast enough and frustration is growing.
Here, it's ridiculous. We have to live like this. They haven't came down here yet, and I don't know if they're going to come there or not.
How do you feel about it?
Terrible.
The mayor is asking for patience. She says if a street has not yet been cleared, it's not because it's overlooked. It's just that there are many streets. The volume of snow is extraordinary. And another look at Summer Street here in downtown Taunton. Again, they've plowed it, but still not down to pavement. And that's just because there's just so much snow. It's just going to take time to dig out from all of this. We'll keep you posted throughout the morning from here in Taunton. Reporting live, Todd Kiskevich, WCVB News Center 5.